Hi there, students. Disposition. Okay, disposition is a countable noun. It's related to the verb to dispose. Okay, so somebody's disposition, their personal qualities, their personal character. So she's always of a very happy disposition. Yeah, he has a very negative disposition, a temperament, a character, their nature. Yeah, an inclination, a tendency. So yes, the politician it has a disposition to change things, a propensity, a tendency. He's prone to do it. Yeah. You can also use disposition to talk about the way in which something's arranged, where it's placed. Yeah, the disposition of the different parts of the factory is very important. How the different parts are placed. How are the troops dispositioned? Yeah. The disposition of the troops is excellent. And then also, from a legal point of view, the distribution of the money. So the lawyer, distribution of money, the lawyer was responsible for the disposition of her assets after her death. And then to have something at your disposition, yeah, to have it at your disposal. I am at your disposition. I'm willing to help you to do anything that you need to do. Wow, that was quite a set of explanations. So a person has a disposition, the way that they tend to feel or they tend to behave. He has a very nervous disposition. Yeah, his character. A disposition to do something, a willingness to do something. He is disposed to do this. Yeah, he is inclined to do this. He is well disposed towards us. He has a good attitude towards us. The disposition of various objects, the pattern in which they are arranged, their relative positions. An architect needs to think about the disposition of the walls and the entrances and the windows, the arrangement, the grouping of them. And then the disposition of money or property. It's the act of distributing it to various different people. Okay? So, yeah, the control, the management of something. Okay, so disposition, it's got a lot of different meanings or different uses. Yeah, she always has a very sunny disposition. The lawyer has control of the disposition of the funds. Okay, so disposition. Yeah, it's lots and lots of various meanings. So the control over something. Yeah, the control over the position. Yeah, the disposition of the assets. The disposition of funds to distribute them. Okay, a tendency or an inclination. He has no disposition to do as you ask. Yeah, this is something that has a disposition to rot very quickly. And then the temperamental makeup, the habitual mood of a person. Yeah, he always has a really foul disposition. So, formality, disposition, somebody's disposition. I think I would probably give this a 6.5 in formality. You might just use it in a semi-formal, in an informal conversation, but it's a much better word for semi-formal or formal situations. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from dispono. Yeah, pono, to put. And I think maybe I think in this case very extremely. But dis as a prefix has various different meanings. So, a disposition, somebody's general mood always, to be willing to do something. The way things are placed, the distribution of funds. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Disposition.